How to do crunches on the floor, step by step. 1. Lie down flat on your back on a mat or the floor. Bend your knees and keep your feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Cross your arms over your chest, or lightly place your fingertips behind your head. Don't pull your neck. 2. Engage your core. Tighten your abdominal muscles by drawing your belly button in toward your spine. Keep your lower back pressed gently into the floor to protect it. They perform the crunch. Exhale and lift your head, neck, and shoulder blades off the floor using your abs. Keep your chin slightly tucked, as if holding an apple under your chin. Pause briefly at the top when you feel your abs contracting. 4. Return to start. Inhale as you slowly lower your upper body back to the mat with control. Don't let your shoulders rest completely. Keep tension in your abs. Repetitions. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps, depending on your fitness level. Benefits of crunches on the floor. 1. Strengthens and tones your abdominal muscles. 2. Improves core stability and posture. 3. Enhances spinal support and balance. 4. Helps reduce the risk of lower back pain when done correctly. 5. Builds a strong foundation for other exercises and sports. 6. Can be done anywhere. No equipment needed. 7. Helps improve muscle definition in your midsection. 8. Boosts overall functional strength for daily activities. Thanks for watching. Check my next video.